Okay, we have an Enco vertical milling machine, model 09531112, serial number 470542. This machine was new in 2009, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a 9x49 table. He's running the head, which is a variable speed, up to 4,200 RPM. You have an R8 spindle. He's running the power feed. You can see it on the Analam 3-axis digital readout. That's the Z-axis. Kicking it out. That's the X, which is a power feed. You can also see it on the DRO. You can see the table moving. Hold on, Angela. Do it again. The table. There you go. Table moving. Power feed. Rapid traverse. That's your Y-axis, in and out. You also have weight covers there. There's a one-shot lubrication system. He's moving it into the other gear, low range. Okay. Variable. Machine has a 2 horsepower variable speed head. Has a coolant pump too. Okay, great. Coolant pump as well. Hey, thank you for watching our video.